Today is Saturday, March 21st, 2026, Cougar Creek Ranch. This is Jan. Hello, everyone. I think I didn't really announce it to my YouTube colleagues about that at the end of last year I did get back my ham radio general license, November 6, November X-ray whiskey. And that was about after 29 years of not acting in ham radio community. Sorry about that, but I had to work since I'm retired now. No more work anymore. I mean, a lot of work, but not. I'm not planning to make any money anymore. Just try to spend all my money. Like I heard the guy today on the 7 megahertz band saying that when he was working, he worked to make money. Now he works to spend the money. So that's where I am also, basically. So I was going to tell you what I'm going to do today, so I'll do that. So the project today, it's about the antennas. I do have here about 2 antennas. One is a long wire, one is a dipole multi-band. And I had another video about this unusual support for my pole for the long wire. See, the long wire is right there, about 6 meters above the ground. But what's happened is, and I'm going to have in multiple places antenna with long cables, and as you can see, the cable, it's coming down the ground. So I have a simple solution for that, because I don't want to have it like that, because we mow the lawn and do all kind of stuff. So what I'm planning to do, if you look, I'm going to install a self-standing and sustaining pole right nearby the entrance of the antennas cables and so on. And then like this black cable, will go and will connect somewhere on top there where I'm going to install the pole. So a self-standing pole, I'm going to use trunks and poles from my property, and I have my own way to do it. I'm trying to do some drainage so I'm going to put some of these rocks down there, and I'm going to insert the pole, and then I'm going to put some more rocks and then gravel on top. So that's way I will have the self-sustaining pole. Carmen is helping me with the brush. So I'm going to measure the pole, so we'll have some idea what I have here. I stain it, and about 4 feet at the bottom I did burn it, so that will last underneath the ground. Anyway, I see here we have 16 feet and 8 inches. That's the length of it. And about 3 feet will go underneath into the ground. And the rest of it, 16, so it's going to be about 13 feet above the ground at the top. Oh, that's good enough, because basically what the intention is to have those cables, the coax cables above our heads, so will not interfere with mowing or doing some other stuff or people walking around. I have no person in my family that's taller than 13 feet, so will be enough. Okay, so I laid down a layer of rocks at the bottom, so the pole will be sitting on top, so will be some drainage there. And then I left on the side of the hole some quantity of rocks that I'll put around. And you're gonna see, because actually I'm going to use some biggest rocks, so to set up the pole vertically, and after that I will fill the rest of it with gravel. So let's go to work on it. So here is how I attach the pole to the tractor, and I am planning to manage this to get the pole in the ground without doing any damage to some other things, because sometimes that's what it happens. So I'm going to transport it as is to the location. Okay, so here it is how I did set up the larger stones, and the whole space is going to be filled with gravel. So it's pretty much horizontal. Let me go from a larger distance. So it's from this side is pretty much horizontal, but is leaning toward the house a little bit, which is fine. I'm going to put some gravel, and then when I figure out that actually this will not fail, I am just going to push it to the final position. Here we go. I filled the gravel quite a bit, and I haven't compacted yet because it's dinner time, and I can do that tomorrow. Anyway, so before I compact it, I will have to adjust again the verticality. All right. Well, This is what I wanted to achieve. My antenna cables coming off the house will be elevated high enough so I can pass with any of my agricultural machinery without any problem. So this is my long wire antenna. Maybe is not very well seen because of the small wire diameter. Anyway, yeah, and I got what I wanted, and I'm happy with the results. One of things that I want to add, the reason why I implement this rocks gravel foundation for the pole is because if I need to take this apart, I don't need to deal with a big chunk of cement and other things. So it's flexible, it's practical, it works, and it's renewable. I mean, I can change it at any time.